Gentlemen, welcome. In a world filled with endless pills and false promises, today we return to something simple, proven, and true. Only 3 essential vitamins can dramatically improve your erections after 60, and you likely already have them in your home. Stay with me because missing even one could mean the difference between frustration and fulfillment. If you care about reclaiming your strength the natural way, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this wisdom, because real men help each other grow stronger. Let's begin. Number 1, Vitamin D. In the days of our fathers and grandfathers, men rose with the sun and worked in the fields, breathing fresh air and soaking up the golden light of morning. Without realizing it, they were filling their bodies with one of nature's purest gifts, vitamin D. Today, modern life has drawn us indoors, behind cold walls and bright screens, and in that shift, we have lost a sacred connection to the life force the sun provides. For men over 60, this is no small loss. Vitamin D plays a mighty role in maintaining strong bones, sharp minds, healthy hearts, and perhaps most importantly, the vitality of manhood itself. Low vitamin D levels have been directly linked to decreased testosterone, poor blood circulation, weakened muscles, and a decline in bedroom performance. When blood does not flow easily, erections suffer, energy wanes, and confidence fades. This is not simply a matter of vanity, it strikes at the very foundation of a man's dignity and strength. Yet the answer is as old as time itself: we must return to the sun, or at least to the natural sources of vitamin D that our ancestors enjoyed without thought or effort. Studies have shown that vitamin D helps to relax and strengthen the lining of blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely throughout the body, including where it is needed most for a firm and lasting erection. Furthermore, it boosts the production of nitric oxide, a critical molecule that supports vascular health and performance. Supplementation can be helpful, but it should be done wisely and with respect for balance. A simple blood test can reveal if your levels are low, and under a doctor's guidance, a daily supplement can restore what nature intended. Fatty fish like salmon, fortified milk, and egg yolks are also traditional, natural sources that align with a healthy, manly diet. And of course, whenever possible, standing under the early morning sun, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, can reignite the body's natural processes. Remember, gentlemen, what was true for our forefathers remains true for us. Strength is not built in laboratories or in bottles, but in honoring the timeless practices that nurtured life for generations. By embracing vitamin D, you are not only improving your erections, but also rebuilding your foundation of health, energy, and resilience. You are taking back what is rightfully yours, not through gimmicks or shortcuts, but through the old, sure ways that have stood the test of time. Stand tall, stand proud, and let nature's wisdom guide you. If you found value in this lesson, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this message with other men who need to hear it. We have only just begun this journey of rediscovery. Together, let us restore what was lost and reclaim the strength of our fathers. Stay tuned and keep walking the old path back to vitality. Number 2, Vitamin B3. Throughout history, a man's strength was judged not by his possessions, but by the vigor in his step, the fire in his spirit, and the life force flowing through his veins. Good blood flow is the silent river of life, nourishing every organ, every muscle, and yes, every intimate moment. As we cross the milestone of 60, however, time and neglect often slow that river. But the old ways offer a simple, powerful solution: vitamin B3, also known as niacin. This humble vitamin, found in traditional foods like liver, chicken, and fish, has the power to awaken a man's vitality once again. Niacin is known to widen blood vessels, a process called vasodilation, which improves circulation throughout the body. In the bedroom, this means firmer, more dependable erections, not through artificial stimulation, but by restoring the body's natural strength. Scientific studies back what generations before us understood instinctively: without good blood flow, a man's fire dims. Niacin doesn't just help your heart and your mind, it breathes life back into your confidence and intimate health. Low levels of vitamin B3 can contribute to feelings of weakness, depression, and poor circulation, setting off a chain reaction that impacts every part of life. Yet when properly nourished with B3, the body responds like dry earth drinking in the rain. Blood surges, oxygen moves, and the spirit lifts. Gentlemen, the traditional diet, rich in meats, fish, and wholesome grains, provided plenty of niacin, but today's processed foods have stripped it away. It's time to honor the wisdom of the past and return to real foods, real nutrition, and real results. Adding more natural sources of vitamin B3 to your daily meals or taking a responsible supplement under your doctor's care can make a profound difference not just in the bedroom, but in your energy, mood, and outlook on life. Remember, the road to reclaiming your strength does not require new inventions, it requires remembering the old truths. Blood flow is life itself, and by supporting it with niacin, you are investing in a fuller, richer existence. Always walk this path with patience and respect. Natural healing is not overnight, it is the steady rebuilding of the body's temple, brick by brick, day by day. Let us return to the ways that built strong, enduring men, men who lived fully, loved deeply, and stood proudly into their golden years. If you found this lesson meaningful, honor it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing with other men who seek to reclaim their rightful vitality. The journey back to true manhood is a sacred one, and you are not alone. Stay with us as we continue uncovering the ancient wisdom that still speaks powerfully to the men of today. The next secret is even more vital. Keep walking the good path. And prepare to restore what time tried to steal. Number 3, vitamin E. In every age, true strength was not merely measured by how much a man could lift or how far he could run, but by how long he could endure, in life, in love, and in legacy. As men cross the honored threshold of 60, the need for endurance becomes even greater. Not to chase the folly of youth, but to enjoy fully the blessings of wisdom, family, and health. And among nature's many gifts, vitamin E stands as a guardian of that enduring strength. Known as the vitality vitamin, vitamin E protects and enhances the very cells that make life possible. It is a powerful antioxidant, defending the body against the slow, creeping damage of time, damage that silently weakens blood vessels, reduces stamina, and dims the flame of passion. Without enough vitamin E, oxidative stress builds within the body, narrowing arteries, stiffening tissues, and making erections weaker and less reliable. Yet when the body is well nourished with vitamin E, the opposite occurs, blood flows freely, cells remain youthful, and a man's energy stays vibrant and ready. It is no wonder that traditional diets rich in nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and natural oils, all abundant in vitamin E, were associated with strong, vigorous lives. Our ancestors, though they did not have scientific journals or laboratories, understood through experience that certain foods nourished the body's fire. Today, modern studies confirm their wisdom. Vitamin E improves blood flow, protects testosterone levels, and enhances the body's natural healing. Gentlemen, to rebuild the strength time has tested, you must feed your body the right way. Almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and olive oil are excellent natural sources of vitamin E. For those who need more concentrated support, a carefully chosen supplement, always with guidance from a trusted physician, can help restore what modern life has robbed. But know this, shortcuts and gimmicks will not serve you. Nature's path is steady, patient, and sure. By committing to regular, natural nourishment, you honor the timeless law of sowing and reaping. The man who tends his body with wisdom today will harvest strength, love, and joy tomorrow. By restoring your vitamin E levels, you are not simply improving your erections, you are protecting your heart, your mind, and your dignity. You are giving yourself the gift of lasting vitality, just as our forefathers did without fanfare but with great purpose. So, gentlemen, walk this path with pride. Remember, it is not weakness to seek help from nature, it is wisdom. If this lesson has stirred something within you, a memory, a hope, a call to action, then do not keep it to yourself. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this message with others who value true, lasting strength. Together we will not just endure, we will thrive, honoring the best of the past while building a future rich with vitality, purpose, and joy. The best is still ahead. Stay with us as we continue to rediscover the old ways that never fail. Conclusion, gentlemen, the wisdom of the past has not failed us, we have merely strayed from it. By restoring vitamin D, vitamin B3, and vitamin E to their rightful place in our lives, we honor the timeless truth that nature provides everything a man needs to live strong, love deeply, and stand proudly even as the years advance. These are not new tricks or modern miracles, they are ancient allies, waiting for us to remember them. True vitality is not found in empty promises but in steady, patient care rooted in respect for the body and the old ways. Choose today to walk this better path. Nourish your strength. Protect your spirit. Rebuild what time has tested. If this message has awakened something within you, subscribe, like, comment, and share it with other men ready to reclaim their rightful vitality. Our best days are still ahead, if we dare to honor the past.